Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class of GK. Today we are going to do chapter 17, that is flowering plants. From the very name, it is clear that we are going to read about the plants which bear flowers, fruits, and seeds. So, flowering plants can be defined as those plants which can produce flowers, fruits, and seeds. They are completely different from non flowering plants and they are also known as angiosperms. Flowering plants are the largest groups in the plant kingdom, and there are around 2,60,000 species of flowering plants, and about 90% species are identified. So these are the largest groups. फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स बहुत ज़्यादा हैं प्लांट किंगडम में. ज़्यादातर प्लांट्स जो हैं वो फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स ही हैं एंड देयर आर अबाउट 2,60,000 स्पीशीज़. इतनी वैरायटी के फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स हैं एंड 90% ऑफ द स्पीशीज़ आर identified. So now let us read about the flowering plants. First of all, it is aquatic plants. See the picture. So aquatic plants, also termed as hydrophytes or aquatic macrophytes, live within the watery environment. ये watery environment में ही रहते हैं, पानी में ही रहते हैं. In the ecosystem, aquatic plant serves as food and habitat for animals living in the sea. और ecosystem में ये जो aquatic plants हैं, they serve as food and natural home for the animals which lives in sea and prevent shorelines, ponds and lakes from erosion by providing soil stability. Because अब इन plants की roots हैं, वो roots तो obviously soil में ही होती हैं, तो they even help in soil erosion. किनारों पे जो soil है उसको they hold that soil very tightly and thus helps in prevention of soil erosion. This is the second type of plant, that is antelope bush. Shrub that is moderate to very deep rooted with wide ecotypic variations. So this is basically a shrub and it is moderate to deep rooted, यानी इसकी जड़ें बहुत गहरी होती हैं, moderate to deep rooted होती हैं with wide ecotypic variations. Ecotypic means which is adapted to particular environmental conditions. तो इन्होंने अपने environmental conditions को adapt कर लिया हुआ है and there are different variety of this plant. It is normally 2 to 6 feet in height and up to 8 feet in width. तो इसकी height approximately 2 to 6 feet है and जो width है that is 8 feet and with wedge shaped 3 lobed leaves. और जो leaves हैं इसकी वो wedge shaped हैं. चिल्ड्रन हम लोग फुटवियर्स में भी वेज हील पहनते हैं ना, तो सी आई विल बी शोइंग यू द शेप ऑफ द वेज एज वेल. सी दिस, आई हैव ड्रॉन दिस पिक्चर टू मेक इट क्लियर टू यू. सो दिस इज़ द टाइप ऑफ वेज एंड it is the leaves are three lobed means they have got 3 parts. Leaves can vary in color from gray green to bright green. So the color of leaves can vary from gray green to bright green. And some plants have branches near the soil. Flowers bloom in late spring to early summer. और जो कई plants हैं उनकी branches बिल्कुल soil के पास हैं और जो flowers हैं they bloom in the late spring to early summer. या तो late spring में bloom करते हैं और in the early summer season. The next is aconite. Aconites are one of the first bulb flowers to bloom in the spring. ये bulb flowers मतलब bulb type shape होती है इन flowers की and they bloom in the spring season. Children, bloom means फूल का खिलना and are known for their cheerful yellow color because you can see the picture, the color is so cheerful, bright yellow color है, so that is why people they like this flower a lot. Ageratum, it comes in blue, pink and white blooms. ये जो ageratum plant है इसके जो flowers हैं they are of 3 colors, either blue, pink or white. The taller varieties are best for cutting. जो tall varieties of plants हैं इसकी flowers हैं they are best for cutting and displaying in homes. तो उनको हम decorate कर सकते हैं homes में flower vase में. लेकिन जो dwarf bedding variety है, dwarf means very short in height and they are just like bedding flowers. तो यानी bedding means बिल्कुल soil के साथ साथ ही होते हैं and they are best for the gardens. The last is the basket of gold. From the very word it is clear that we are going to talk about some yellow colored flowers. with bright yellow, low growing flowers. No wonder where the basket of gold got its name from. And nobody knows कि इस plant को name कहाँ से मिला basket of gold का. I think maybe it is due to its bright yellow color and it is low growing, बिल्कुल soil के साथ ही होता है. Given its short height and golden color, this makes for a perfect addition to a rock garden. क्योंकि height भी ज़्यादा नहीं है and color भी बहुत bright है, so it is perfect for rock garden or for xeriscape. Xeriscape means garden created in style that requires no maintenance, used in arid regions. मतलब ऐसा garden जो कि just for decoration purpose के लिए create किया गया हो arid regions में. Arid regions कौन से होते हैं? Arid regions are those regions which receive very less rainfall. Children, moving ahead to the next chapter, that is chapter 18, when plants turn deadly. So although we always think that plants are very useful to us, but there are certain plants which are very poisonous, and we can even die by even touching or eating them. So plants play a very important role in our lives. They provide us with food, shelter and air to breathe. But here are some plants that are not safe to eat or even touch. So we are going to read about the plants which are not safe to touch or eat. First is the mushroom. It is highly poisonous mushroom, and it is responsible for almost 90% of deaths from eating fungi. तो इसके जो फंगी अगर मशरूम में लग जाए एंड इफ़ वी ईट दैट देन वी कैन इवन लूज आर लाइफ. इट्स पॉइजन कॉज इवन सीवियर डायरिया एंड वॉमिटिंग. और इसके पॉइजन की वजह से होगा क्या? यू विल हैव सीवियर डायरिया एंड वॉमिटिंग. बहुत ज़बरदस्त आपको डायरिया हो जाएगा. डायरिया मीन्स लूज फ्रीक्वेंट बावल मूवमेंट्स, लूज मोशंस लग जाएंगे और वॉमिटिंग होगी. द नेक्स्ट इज़ द लेडीज़ glove. It is known as lady's glove. This is the picture. Number 2. Symptoms of its poison include a low pulse rate. और अगर आप इसको टच कर लेते हो या तो इसका जो पॉइजन के सिम्टम्स हैं, आपका पल्स रेट लो हो जाएगा, नोज़िया हो जाएगा. नोज़िया मीन्स फीलिंग ऑफ सिकनेस, मतलब जिसको कहते हो आप दिल कच्चा होना, विद एन इंक्लिनेशन टू वॉमिट. वॉमिटिंग भी हो सकती है एंड इवन कार्डियक अरेस्ट. एंड द नेम ऑफ दिस प्लांट इज़ पर्पल foxglove. Children, I hope that you have written the name of the first poisonous mushroom also. The name of that is the death cap. Now third, this picture, children, this it is a very famous food. We eat it as food in our day-to-day life. Potatoes. Some of you might also like it very much. कईयों को बहुत पसंद भी होगा. Even it's my favorite too. If it turns green, then there is possibility that it may contain solanine, which is a poison. लेकिन बच्चे, अगर आपने भी देखा होगा कई बार पोटैटो जो होता है वो ग्रीन कलर का होता है, उसके ऊपर थोड़ा थोड़ा सा ग्रीन होता है. इन दैट केस वी शुड नेवर ईट दैट पोटैटो बिकॉज इट कंटेन्स सोलानिन विच इज़ अ पॉइजन, right? And the name of this plant is potato. Kindly write in your books. The next picture is this. You can see this picture, the plant. It is used by the South American Indian tribes to make their arrows poisonous for hunting. जो South American Indian tribes हैं वो इस plant के poison से अपने arrow को के जो tip होती है उसको उसके ऊपर लगाते हैं to make it poisonous. And the name of this plant is curare. The next is this plant, picture number 5. It is also known as Nux vomica, poison nut and Quaker buttons. And it is found in India and Myanmar. Almost all parts of this plant contain poison. See, this plant is very, poisonous. Each and every part of this plant is poisonous and is found in India and Myanmar. The last one, the name of this plant is Kuchla tree. Please write in your books. The last picture is this. And now we will read about this. This plant is native to Europe, North Africa and Western Asia. So this plant basically is domestic to Europe, North Africa and Western Asia. इट्स foliage एंड berries आर एक्सट्रीमली टॉक्सिक. इसकी जो लीव्स हैं और इसकी जो फ्रूट है, बेरीज हैं, दे आर वेरी टॉक्सिक. टॉक्सिक मीन्स पॉइजनस. इट कंटेन्स पॉइजन कॉल्ड एट्रोपाइन, और जो पॉइजन है वो है एट्रोपाइन. इट हैज़ लॉन्ग हिस्ट्री ऑफ यूज़ एज मेडिसिन. और इस प्लांट के पॉइजन को इवन की मेडिसिन में भी यूज़ किया जाता है. द नेम ऑफ दिस प्लांट इज़ डेडली नाइटशेड. Now, the did you know facts? Water hemlock, also known as Cicuta maculata, is closely related to poison hemlock, and the plant that famously killed Socrates. So, this plant was responsible for the death of Socrates. Water hemlock has been deemed the most violently toxic plant in North America. और ये जो plant है, it is a very toxic plant in North America. So thank you so much children for watching the video. I want you to complete this chapter in your books. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay at home, stay healthy. Thank you. God bless you.